divide 486 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 6 and 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting we get 0. So 486 divided by 3 is 162. So this much for today and thanks for watching.